Welcome to See Christmas Birds. The 12 Days of Christmas is an English Christmas carol first published in 1780 in a children's book, Myth Without Mischief, which also contains the delightfully named play of the gaping white moth, wedding frog, amongst other poems and stories. The verses was originally presented without music. One of the suggestions was for the origin of the 12 Days of Christmas is that it was intended as a catechist song used by young Catholics to help them learn the tenets of their faith. The partridge in the pear tree is said to represent Christ, and the other verses are meant to refer to parts of the Catholic Decor. However, this theory has been widely refuted, and although the origin of the song are unknown, it's likely that it is secular in nature, perhaps written as a memory game. One thing though is for sure, no other Christmas carol features but quite as prominently as the 12 Days of Christmas. We take a look at the birds featured in the carol and suggest what some of the known ornithological verses could be referring to. The partridge is a member of the pheasant family and has been a traditional game bird in the UK for centuries. Two species are contended: the red-legged partridge that was introduced in the 70s and the grey partridge or English partridge, a native bird, although the red-legged partridge is more likely to be found sitting in trees.